So I will go for the problem. Problem number 1. See, the condition for the line y equal to mx plus c to be a normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is, options are given like this. And I want to suggest you that, remember, condition for a line to be a normal or tangent to the parabola or ellipse or hyperbola, in each case please remember directly the results formula, because it will simply a waste of time in case of the examinations. Please go through direct results. So solution for this one is D, and let us see how I got the equation of a normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax in the form of slope form is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Remember, here just simply I have taken instead of c minus 2am minus am cube. So the condition goes to c equal to minus 2am minus am cube it is. Now let us we take the second problem. In the second problem they are given like this: the tangent drawn at the extremities of a focal chord of the parabola y square equal to 16x, and there are 4 options are given here. The tangent drawn at the extremities of a focal chord means they are drawing the tangents through the ends of LR, and they meet certain at a point, and that point intersect at an angle 45 degree or 60 degree, or they intersect on the line x plus 4 equal to 0, or intersect on x equal to 0, means on y axis they are asking here. Obviously y x equal to 0 means y axis it cannot happen, and 60 degree also cannot happen. There is a chance of 45 degree, and 45 degree will not happen, it may be a semi angle. So now let us see the answer. It intersects on the line x plus 4 equal to 0. See the answer how we got. Remember, the tangent drawn at the extremities of any focal chord of the parabola meet at right angles on the directrix. Remember, the directrix if you find, then it is enough for us. Look at this. Now the equation given y square equal to 16x, here 4a equal to 16, therefore a equal to 4. Now let us we find the directrix equation. The equation of the directrix is here x equal to minus a, and I put a equal to 4, you get it as x plus 4 equal to 0. This is my required answer here. For the second problem, next problem, the problem is like this: the line 2x plus c is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x if c is equal to, the values of c are given minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 4. Now let us see here. The answer for this question is 1 by 2, correct. So when you take answer for this one is 1 by 2, let us see how we got the answer as 1 by 2. The condition that y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x is always c equal to a by m. Remember my dear student, it is very important, c equal to a by m is the condition. So where c is y intercept, a is coordinate of the focus of the parabola, and m is slope of the line. Next substitute the values, find m, find a, here it is printing mistake, actually it is 4a equal to 4 and a equal to 1. This is 4a equal to 4 because here it is given 4. So 4a equal to 4 and then a equal to 1. Yes, now look at this my dear students, substitute these values, we get c equal to 1 by 2. Where I have substituted in this condition, I got a value, m value, then easy to find c value. Next problem, see this: if the line is given for us 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0 is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax, then a is, they are asking about what is the value of a. Remember, in the earlier case we have discussed about what is the condition for a line to be a tangent to the parabola. In the previous case, previous problem only, c equal to a by m, c equal to a by m is the condition. So the answer is here 4 by 3. Now let us we go with the condition. See, first I have written this line in the form of intercept, slope intercept form like this, y equal to mx plus c, and here the parabola is y square equal to 4ax, that is given as it is. And now let us proceed. See, condition is c equal to a by m, and substitute the value of c and m, you get the value of a. It is very easy problem. Next problem, if the line 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax, then a is equal to, they are interested a ka value here. Please it's again small letter a, it is capital letter A is taken here, actually it is small letter a. So now the answer for this question is 15 by 16, and I am not, I think you are directly you can say the condition for this is to be C equal to A by M. So once again reduce it in the form of slope intercept form, you can easily find the value of M and C here. Otherwise you can write directly M equal to minus 3 by minus 4, this is plus 3 by 4, as well as C equal to intercept you need to find, that is 5 by 4. Okay, now just we go with the condition and substitute the values of M and C, you get aram se the value of A equal to, here it is 15 by 16. Very easy problem it is, aram se you can do in examination, but you should remember that C equal to A by M, which is a standard condition for the line to a tangent. So now take a line x plus y equal to k is a normal to the parabola y square equal to 12x, then k is, here the answer is 9. Very simple. I am again and again I am talking about the conditions here. Remember, most of the students get confused. Previous case, a line is tangent to the parabola, here a line is normal to the parabola. Please don't be confused. Normal is different, tangent is different, because both normal and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So condition is also different here. The condition in the first example we have discussed. Now look at this, that is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube is a normal to the parabola of this kind. So now let us proceed. Here c equal to minus 2am minus am cube, substitute the values of a and m, because aram se we can write the values of a and m here. A equal to comparing this one with 4a equal to 12, and then you get a equal to 3, and slope for this line is minus 1. So you can get the value of c here, c equal to k given, and substitute all the values here, then you get the value of 9, k value, which is 9 here. So very simple problem if you remember this condition, c equal to minus 2am minus am cube. Now we go for the next problem. This problem again, this looks like the same one earlier problem, but what they are talking here is x plus y is a normal to this parabola, then it touches the parabola. It means if it is normal to this parabola and also this is tangent to one of the parabola, what is that parabola they are interested here. So the parabola is here, it is a D, and let us we go with the options solution for this. Here in the for the given parabola y square equal to 12x and a value we have 3, and m slope for this line is minus 1. First what I am doing here is, in this problem I just find what is the value of k here. Why? Because I want equation of this normal first. If I know the equation of normal, easily I can find what is the equation of tangent, correct? So the condition for this is equation of the normal is y equal to minus mx minus 2am minus am cube is normal to this parabola, correct? Substitute all the values here, then we got this is 2 and a 3, m minus 1, again a is 3 and minus 1 cube, it is minus 1 only, correct? So then proceed. So we got it as the equation is x plus y equal to 9 is a normal to the parabola. Now we go again we go with the next condition, let it touch the parabola y square equal to 4ax. See, if it is touching a parabola y square equal to 4ax, then condition you know very well, that is c equal to a by m. This is replaced by a by m here. And then now next here I just go with one more condition, that is previous case minus mx plus y minus a by m. See, in this equation I have taken all the terms to the left side, minus mx minus plus y minus a by m equal to 0, and x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 are identical here. So if these two are identical, why? Because both are the tangents now. So now let us see here, coefficient of x is m, which is 1 equal to minus m, slope is minus 1, again y coefficient is 1, minus a by m equal to minus 9, that is a by m equal to 9. So now m minus 1, a by m equal to 9, a is minus 9. This is how we got. Whenever you get the value of a, it is very simple, substitute the value of a in this equation, you get 4 into minus 9 into x, so you get it as minus 36x. So y square equal to minus 36x is the equation of parabola. That's the answer for this question. Next question is very simple. They are given that the slope of the normal at the point 80 square to 80 of the parabola y square equal to 4ax is the slope of the normal at the point 80 square to 80 of the parabola y square equal to 4ax is slope they are interested here 1 by t minus t and minus 1 by t. See, the answer is here, it is minus t, correct. Now let us see how we got the answer. Tangent at t is ty equal to x plus 80 square. Remember directly, tangent at t is always given by ty equal to x plus 80 square. Now look at this, the slope of the tangent in this case, it is always given by 1 by t. When the slope of the tangent is 1 by t, obviously the slope of the normal is given by minus t. So this is very simple question, and but whenever if you don't remember this one, look at my dear students, if you forget this case, if you not remember the equation of the tangent in this form ty equal to x plus 80 square, then it is very horrible for you people. Next question, equation of the tangent at minus 4 equal to x square at the point minus 4 for the curve x square equal to minus 4y is one of the option they are given here, and now let us see the answer for this is 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. See in detail how we got this one. Equation of tangent is finding is so easy for us, simply differentiate the given curve and find the slope at the point minus 4 and minus 4, and that line passing through this point, easily you can find the equation. See, if I differentiate a small mistake here, it is actually now actually this is dy by dx, it is actually this case here it is dy, it is means dy by dx equal to, simply differentiated here, it is dy by dx equal to, now look at this, it is the equation x square ka derivative 2x, but this minus 4 is taken to the right side, so that is this one, and now here it is equal to, otherwise you remove this part, is this not necessary in this one here, simply you just take dy by dx equal to, this one is dy by dx equal to minus 2x by 4. Simply substitute x ka value equal to minus 4, minus 4 cancel, you get slope equal to minus 2. So sorry, plus 2. So then now look at this, again we proceed, tangent at the point minus 4 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, you know the formula, in that one y minus y1, this is y1 point, m into x minus x1, it is x1 value, substitute and simplify, this is my required answer for this question, correct. So it's a very simple here, as this one was mistaken earlier problem, just it's made it as a correct one, okay. So minus 2x by 4 equal to minus x by 2, and finally substitute dy by dx equal to 2, and then you get required equation. So thank you. The next equation, next question, we go with a very important problem, which is angle between the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 5x plus 5 at the points 2, 0 and 3, 0. Angle between the tangents to the curve, they are asking angle between the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 5x plus 5 at the points 2, 0 and 3, 0. Remember once again a very important problem, most of the concept you don't study in case of theory. My dear students, if you want any theory queries or any theory behind the small concepts like this, you can just send me the comment, ask me, I will make a small videos based on that and I will send you for your purpose. So the next answer is for this kind is pi by 2. Let us see how we got the answer. Slope of this given curve is 2x minus 5, and slope at the point 2, 0 is minus 1, and slope at the point 3, 0 here it is plus 1. That means that both these two slopes are multiplication giving us minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 gives us minus 1. It means slope for this line is minus 1, slope for another line is plus 1. So it is possible only when these two lines are perpendicular to each other. That is very important. Now the next question, it is very simple question but looks a little bit difficult one. Looks difficult but it's very easy problem. The normal at the point b t1 square to b t1 on a parabola meet the parabola again in the point b t2 square to b t2. So then what is the condition? The normal at the point on the parabola meet the parabola again at the point bt2 square to bt2. Then see the answer for this question is fourth one, and let us see how we got the answer for this. The equation of the normal at bt1 square to bt1 is, as I have discussed, very simple, y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Please remember that. Again it is the same condition I am using here. Any line is a normal to given parabola. So once again it is, remember here the equation of the normal, whenever you are talking about the parametric equations, please go through this one. Y equal to minus t1x plus 2bt1 plus bt1 cube. It is very simple it is. Let us proceed now. See, look at this, y plus t1x equal to 2bt1. Simply I have taken this term to the left side and rest of the part is same. See, this again passes through this one. Now look at this, substitute the values of x and y, bt2 square comma 2bt2. Now this will be in the form of this one, y equal to this and x equal to this one. Just simplification is pending. Remember 2bt2 t1 as it is, again t2 square, 2bt1 2bt1 cube. And the next, let us proceed. Simplify this part, 2bt2 minus t1, and again go on expanding. So just simplify here, t2 minus t1 ka whole square can be written as a plus b a minus b form, and again proceed. T2 minus t1 get cancelled, 2 equal to only this part remains here. Hence you can say that now t1 is taken to the left side and you get it as 2 minus 2 by t1 equal to t1 plus t2, and t2 value you are interested here. Let us take t1 to the left side. You get the answer t2 equal to minus t1 minus 2 t1. So this is the answer for this question. Understand very properly. Here it is, this one, it is r value. Simply what we are doing here, it is